Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Ikechukwu. I'm the CEO of this company, Igbo Restaurant and Lounge. I am making this video because of a personal vendetta of the new Capital Territory Chairman who is living just on the back of this establishment. And for some time now, it has been so terrible, since we started this place and since he resumed office, it has been series of shutting down from the first shutdown that took us about.
Nwanne anyị nwoke anụ na-akọwa na ya gụla na Enugu State wee lụọ ya hotel and suit. Nwanne anyị nwoke a sikwa na Anambra State wee bịa sị ka ya mee invest na Enugu State. Kịta ọ na-akọwazi ụdịka war the chairman of Enugu State Capital Development Authority bụ onye nke afọ ya bụ Uche Anya. Ọ na-akwa na the man na-agbasozi ya war. Kedu ife na-ese na the chairman of Enugu State Capital Development Authority na-akọwa na ebe a dị guy igola na wee lụọ the hotel and lodge na ya nwa dị interested na data na wee na-akọwa na since ọ na the guy bịago gozie dị na wee mezi invest there that na ya nwa ga-efukwa ntutu ụta na the guy ama make any profit mana the place ama function so far na ya nwa ka bụkwa the chairman of Capital Development Authority na Enugu State. Wee na-akọwa na ya bụ issue I continue go until Jekwa report all the man to Enugu State Governor. Enugu State Governor wee kwakwa ya bụ Uche Anya wee nye ya ndụmọdụ na ya hapụ the guy ka the guy mee business ya n'udo. And after the instruction, after the advice from Enugu State Governor, still yet the man can continue. Na-ewuzi nke ikpeazụ na the man ebe na kwalie the place. Ka ha pikwa ọtụtụ okwu, achọrọ m kwunu welu ntunu wee gelu okwu si n'ọnụ nwanne anyị nwoke a. This preaching of akụluo ụnọ ọ ka bụkwa a good idea. Ị na-ekiri onyonyo na-ajụ ọ ka bụkwa a good idea because ndị nke bunata be invest na ebezi agbọtọzi m ihe bụ plan anyị na Igbo ahụ. Klipu ihe onyonyo a daalụkwanụ.
Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Ikechukwu. I'm the CEO of this company, Igbo Restaurant and Lounge. I am making this video because of a personal vendetta of the new Capital Territory Chairman who is living just on the back of this establishment. And for some time now, it has been so terrible, since we started this place and since he resumed office, it has been series of shutting down from the first shutdown that took us about 2 weeks plus to open to the second one that took us about 2 weeks plus to open again. And then the governor, through the office of the SHG, has called him to order to stop shutting us down and stop this, But what he does now, what he did lately, that I also begin to complain about, is he went and put a siren, a siren on his...
People are going. People are going for Uche Anya.
We blocked here and we went ahead and put a siren, on the wall. You can see there, and also see cameras that he puts and facing the camera direct to this property. Here is a restaurant and lounge, nothing more, nothing less, and him. This establishment because of his own personal vendetta. He has an interest of buying the land, like he said to me, and also the people who owns the land, because we on lease here. They're saying people come down to East to invest. I came down to Enugu, but it hasn't been easy here in Enugu. Putting up all these structures and all these things that I did here, that cost me close to 500 million to do, which I'm owing debts and loans to be able to do. But all he could do is to make sure that here is being shut down. He said that here will not exist. I don't know why, I don't know he's for the family or who, so I'm calling on the general public and also calling on the governor of Enugu State. This thing, everybody know how Nigeria is and it's so hard for everyone right now. So this issue of Uche Anya on this personal thing all the time, because for me it's a personal thing. It's not about the government, He went ahead to he plays allegation on this, plays allegation on that, and when we prove him wrong on that, he comes up with a new thing all the time. So please, I'm calling on the governor to please intervene, because this is not good. I'm a young man, you know. Ushanya is old enough to be my dad. I've also approached him sometime, telling him on this thing. If there is something we are doing wrong, which for now I don't know what we are doing wrong, he should, you know, call us to order as a father to son kind of order. So please, I am begging that this is my life savings. This project is my life savings. If he pulls here down, like he said, as you can see where he wrote remove on the wall. You know, you can see there, remove. He came here yesterday to market. After the governor have told him to stay away from all this kind of thing on this property, he came here yesterday and began to mark everywhere remove. Is it that I'm gonna look at there as well? Everywhere is removed. You know, you can see here as well. Placing remove on everything. You know, writing remove everywhere. Here and here as well. As you can see. And you can see, you know, everywhere removed. Some of the things here. My only offense is that I am his closed door neighbor. Look at his house here. You can see the siren he used to whisk away customers. Once customers enters here, he blows the siren. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With 2 cameras facing directly to here. You know? So I know that the governor doesn't know about this, you know, but he should intervene because this is really getting on our nerves. Since we begin this place, it has been, we are getting money somewhere else, you know, to be able to run the place because he refused that here wouldn't exist, like he said. And it's going to be a very things of, if it really works out for him, you know. And like I was saying, this is a business that has up to 63. We have about 63 workers here that is on our payroll, that we pay salaries everywhere. You can see, he marks everywhere, you know. This is the main restaurant and lounge, you know, we are still equipping the inside, you know. But because of his problem, that is why we haven't even finished here. Because some of the workers that we have paid, when he shut us down, have run away with our money. And now we are trying to get them back. So, you can go outside, take the videos outside as well. Take videos, take it, and go backward and take all the videos. So, as you have seen, the pictures I showed you, you know, this issue has been since last year. We only worked here normal for 1 month, and then he resumed office. Then that was the greatest nightmare that has happened to Brit. You know, I've talked to both the House of Assembly members, the speakers, the SSG, everybody that I can, even the police. You know, he said that nobody can do anything. That he is the governor of this state, as far as Enugu is concerned, that he is the governor. And there is nothing anybody can do. You know? He boasts about, I don't know why he's doing this. This is so unfair to us. He even have to tell me that his wife is deputy commissioner of police in Abuja. That I cannot do anything. That his wife he's trying to let me know that he will suppress us, that we can't do anything. So I'm pleading on the governor and also the general public, you know, to please address this issue. Address the issue. For me, right now, it's unsafe to even invest here in Enugu for me. I have a lot of friends who is asking me, how's the serene? How's everywhere here? Is it possible for them to come down here to put up something good? You know, I'm telling them the problem I'm passing through. So it's really unfair. It's really unfair. So please, I'm calling on the general public and the governor of Enugu State to please intervene. Intervene. It will be very, very disheartening that a man, just because of a personal issue, that I'm having a fence, sharing a fence is my closed door neighbor, you know, and the hatred he had for here just because he couldn't buy it the way he said some years ago, you know. Then he came here to, he has to come here to fall down all this structure. This structure, we started from scratch to build it. And after the building, we started the place. No one has come here to shut us down or to say that we did problems to them or that we don't have the right documents. But immediately he entered and was appointed because he knew when we were building, but he never said anything. But immediately he got appointed, now we became his enemy. So please, I'm calling on the government to please intervene. You know, we are so tired. We are tired of all this. Thank you. God bless you all.
Ihe a bụzi ọnọdụ nwanne anyị nwoke akwụdoro property ya. O wee pụta n'ụtụtụ, o wee bụ na ya bụ Uche Anya bụ ya nwa bụ the chairman of Enugu State Capital Development Authority. Jizi midnight wee wakpo ofa wee bịa wuru bulldozer everything. Nwokwu ihe nwanne nwoke si na ya commit ọkwa sọ na asị na Uche Anya nwanụ si na the place ọ lụrụ ya bụ hotel and suite na ya nwa na onwe ya dịkwa interested na data ana. O wee use power ya as the chairman of Enugu State Development Authority. Ya bụ power ya ka exercise le ya follow now. Ya ka na-asị na power na-asa afọ. Onye nke enyelu power o jide power na misuse. Ifugo? Ya bụkwa ya na-eme onwe anyị, nke a bụkwa Igbo versus Igbo. Ọ bụ na Yoruba ka o melu na, bụ na o melu ugwu Hausa na. Ọkwa ka dị na-asị na hatred na ihe etili ndị Igbo na afọrọ ndị Igbo n'anya. Mana n'ezie ihe nwanne na-eme nwanne ya. N'ezie ihe nwanne kala obi mee nwanne ya, jide property nwanne gị demolishie. Ọ bụkwa na onye nwe dị ana. Ọkwa onye nwela ana wụla ana lesi, onye ọ chọrọ ilesi ana. Ọ bụgodị na o nwere ichu nwere gwito onye nwe dị ana, ọrọ ije gbasobe the person wo. Kịta bụzi the person goes land na ego kijezi faces tabaza the person afọ jide investment ya niile afọ talata for years ego save jide demolish ya. Gwazam ihe bụ wickedness na abụghọ nka. Gwagodu m ihe ọzọ bụ wickedness na abụghọ nka. Ifugo emaneti akụlụ ụnọ. Ọ bụrụ na mmadụ kilicha ihe dị ona, gwa m ihe ga-aka the person n'obi ya nwe bata. Gwa m the assurance the person nwere that na property ya ga-adị same ụbọchị ya n'Igbo. Gwagodu m ebe ọ na eme ike secure onwe their property. Kedu assurance anyị na-enye people that if they relocate na the property ga-adị safe? Akwenye nke a now akpatachaga ego, overlook other places, overlook other regions, overlook ana Yoruba, overlook ugwu Hausa, sị ka abịa lụọ ihe na be nna ya na nna ya, sị ka ebere ati ana Igbo be ebe nọ wee mụọ ya, ka ya solukwu wee kwanite ana Igbo. Kịta bụzi ya bụ yo receive now demolition. Biko Governor of Enugu State neba anya n'ihe a. Ihe a bụkwa a very big discouragement ka ọ bụ to investors.